Part 2. Part 2.
Nagtagin pa ako.
Ano? Saan ka? Naglo-load pa lang ako. Ayun. Ako si Ding the Bean. Na-break yung neck mo.
Teleport.
Your neck broke. Hey, bro. Your neck broke.
Wait lang kasi.
Lucas, dapat mag-English tayo para matindihan ng iba.
Okay.
No, I fail.
Okay. I will leave now.
Why will you leave?
I destroyed my house.
Di aron. I can control. Yo, I can control, bro. Bro, went to the bathroom. Wait, guys, I just gonna control you. Yeah, this is me. Oh, hello.
Anong ginagawa mo?
No. Get out of here. Bye-bye.
I leave now.
No, you will not leave until you die.
Okay.
May ender pearl ako. No! Ender pearl, save me! No! Ano ka ender pearl ako dyan?
Ito kasi.
I said English. Or you die. Hell, no. Chase me like. Yo, no. What are you doing? Ika na. Free fall to the void.
Free bird, yeah.
With the bell.
I got the lily of the valley. Naka-heavy core ako.
Ano yan? Tingnan mo, Lucas, party. Nahulog siya.
Ilagay mo na yung ilagay mo na yung water.